We don't really know what we're doing, but Amy's being brave without anything on because they seem a little bit more irritable today.
Yeah, well, if I don't watch them, I don't know. And I've already got stung by that yellow jacket, so I have a nice lump on me.
Oh my goodness, that's awesome. Oh my goodness. You gotta see this.
Oh.
They're doing right what they're supposed to.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna let them alone.
I would too.
This one's covered too. That's the only black one that's covered.
Aren't they even starting on the other one?
No.
What about one of the brown ones? The old ones? We don't know what we're doing here, by the way. But they do say they clean up the old ones.
Try not to damage anything.
It'd be on my neck. That would hurt. Oh my gosh, look, they cleaned them up. Oh man.
It's like that the whole way through. I don't wanna
Either.
I don't wanna mess with them too much.
We're in trouble.
I feel like they're doing pretty good though.
Now we gotta figure out what you do with honey. Ah! I'm getting out of here. We're backing up a little bit.
Yeah, that's crazy in 1 week. You bees keep on doing bee stuff.
What do you got to say about that? Puff the Magic Dragon.